Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two amazing cameras, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 and the Canon EOS R50. We'll be evaluating these cameras in different categories to help you make an informed decision. Before we dive into the comparison, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The Panasonic LUMIX S5 comes with a price tag of $2,899, whereas the Canon EOS R50 is available at a more affordable price of $679. If you're on a budget, the Canon EOS R50 might be the better choice. When it comes to video quality, both cameras offer exceptional performance. The Panasonic LUMIX S5 provides extraordinary 4K 60p, 10-bit video, FHD 180 FPS slow-motion option, and 4:3 anamorphic support. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 features 4K uncropped movie with dual-pixel CMOS AFE at up to 30 FPS, oversampled from 6K, and Full HD high frame rate movie at up to 120 FPS. Both cameras deliver impressive video capabilities. In terms of photo quality, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 offers a detailed 96MP high-resolution mode, dual native ISO to minimize noise, and V-Log versus Gamut with 14+ stop dynamic range. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 provides a 24.2-megapixel CMOS sensor and DIGIC X processor. Both cameras deliver excellent photo results, satisfying the needs of enthusiasts and experts alike. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras have improved capabilities. The Panasonic LUMIX S5 offers high-precision autofocus that includes detection of the head, eyes, face, and body, allowing you to capture subjects with ease and precision. It also features 5-axis dual IS-2 that enables 6.5-stop slower shutter speed. The Canon EOS R50 comes with dual-pixel CMOS AFE covering up to 100% by 100% area with 651 AF zones and auto-subject detection and tracking using deep learning technology. Regarding compatibility, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 works with all L-mount full-frame digital cameras, making it an essential lens across the LUMIX S series and beyond. The Canon EOS R50, on the other hand, utilizes the RF mount, providing a compact and lightweight camera body. And that's a wrap for our comparison. Both the Panasonic LUMIX S5 and the Canon EOS R50 offer incredible features and performance. Depending on your needs and budget, you can choose the one that suits you best. Let us know in the comments below which camera you would prefer. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.